Now let us discuss the concept that angle subtended by a chord at the center is double the angle at the circumference. For example, if we have a circle with center O and HK is the chord and it is subtending an angle that means we have a chord HK which is subtending an angle at the center, that is O, and angle at the circumference, that is at angle at point G. We have to prove that it has been given to us a circle with center O, HK is a chord. To prove angle HOK is 2 times angle HGK. Now for this we will make some construction. We will join OG and extend HO to J. That means we will extend this point to J and we will join OG. So now the proof follows. Now in triangle HOG, OH is equal to OG, both are the radii of the same circle. So angle OH G is equal to angle OGH. Let us suppose this is equal to X, this is equal to Y, so this will be also equal to Y. So angle HOG is equal to angle OGH, each equal to Y, angles opposite equal side. That means now that we have taken triangle HOG, in triangle HOG, OH and OG are the radii of the same circle, so they are equal. So we can say that OHG is an isosceles triangle. Now OHG is an isosceles triangle with OH equal to OG, so the base angles will be equal, that is angle OHG will be equal to OGH, let each angle be equal to Y. So we can say that both the angles are equal. So angle OHG is equal to angle OGH equal to Y degree. Let us mark it as equation 1. Now in triangle HOG, angle OHG plus angle HOG plus angle OGH is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Because we know that sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree and OHG is a triangle. So we can say that angle OHG plus HOG plus OGH is equal to 180 degree, or we can say that Y plus HOG plus Y is equal to 180 degree, or we can say angle HOG is equal to 180 degree minus 2y. Let us mark it as equation 2. So similarly, if we take triangle KOG, now let us take it as X, so this will be also X. In triangle KOG, OK is equal to OG, radii of the same circle, both are radii of the same circle. So we can say that angle OKG plus angle OKG is equal to angle OGK, let us suppose equal to X, angles opposite equal side. As the sides OK and OG are equal, so the angles are equal, let each angle be equal to X. In triangle KOG, angle OKG plus angle KOG plus angle KGO is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. So we can say that OKG is x plus angle KOG plus angle plus x is equal to 180 degree. So we can say that angle KOG is equal to 180 degree minus 2 times x. Let us mark it as equation 3. Now we know that as angles around a point, O is equal to 360 degree. So angle HOK plus angle KOG plus angle GOH is equal to 360 degree, because HOK plus KOG plus GOK are the angles around the point O, so their sum will be equal to 360 degree. Or we can, as we know that HOK, we have just found that angle HOG is equal to 180 minus 2x and KOG is equal to 180 minus 2x. So we can say HOK plus 180 minus 2x plus 180 minus 2y is equal to 360 degree. Or we can say angle HOK is equal to 360 minus 360 plus 2x plus 2y, they will cancel out. So it will be equal to 2 times x plus y. Now angle x plus angle y is equal to angle HGO plus angle KGO is equal to angle HGK, because y is equal to HGO and x is equal to KGO. So adding these two we get HGK. So we can say angle x plus angle y is equal to angle HGK, or we can say that now we know that from this statement we know that angle HOK is equal to 2 times x plus y. So it is equal to 2 times angle HGK. So angle HOK is 2 times angle HGK. Hence we have proved that angle at the center is equal to 2 times the angle at the circumference, because HOK is the angle at the center and HGK is the angle at the circumference, and we have proved that angle HOK is equal to 2 times angle HGK. So hence we have proved that the angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference. Now let us sum up the theorem. We are given, the theorem is to prove that the angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference. This is the concept in the chapter of circles of mathematics. So what we are doing here is we have taken a circle with center O and HK is a chord, and we have to prove that HOK, that is the angle subtended by the chord at the center, HOK is equal to 2 times the angle subtended at the circumference, that is HGK. So what I have done, I have joined OG and extended HO to J. So what we have done in the proof, we have taken triangle HOG. Now in triangle HOG, OH is equal to OG because both are the radii of the same circle. So we can say that triangle OHG is equal to OGH. Let them be equal to Y. So angle OHG is equal to OGH is equal to Y. So we have marked it as equation 1. Then using the angle sum property of triangle OGH, we have found HOG is equal to OGH plus HOG plus OGH is equal to 180 degree. So Y plus HOG plus Y is equal to 180 degree, or we can say angle HOG is equal to 180 minus 2Y. Similarly, we have proved that angle GOK is equal to 180, KOG is equal to 180 minus 2x. GOK or KOG are the same thing. So KOG is equal to 180 minus 2x. Now we know that the angles around the circle, the sum of the angles around the circle is equal to 360 degree. So angle HOK plus angle GOK plus angle GOH is equal to 360 degree. Now we are substituting the value of HOG and KOG from the statements. 2 and 3, I have found that angle KOG is 180 minus 2x and GOH is equal to 180 minus 2y. So all this is equal to 360. Now at 180 plus 180 is equal to 360 degree. Taking it on the right hand side, it became negative. So I had 360 minus 360 plus 2x plus 2y. 360 cancelled out, so HOK is equal to 2 times x plus y. And x plus y, if we see the triangle, if we see the figure, HGO is x is y and KGO is x, and adding them we get HGK. So we can say angle x plus angle y is equal to HGO plus KGO is equal to HGK. So hence KGO is HOK is 2 times x plus y as from this equation. So it is equal to 2 times KGH. Hence we have shown that the angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference. Now let us apply the concept. That means we have to apply the concept that angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference. For example, we have been given 3 points A, M, B on the circumference. We have been given 3 points on the circumference of a circle with center O. Let the point be A, M and B. So we will join OA, OM and OB. It is further given that angle AOM is equal to 70 degree and angle BOM is equal to 140 degree. And we are supposed, this has been given to us, and we are to find the measure of angle AMB. That means we are supposed to find angle AMB. This angle we are supposed to find. Angle AOM is 70 degree and this is 140 degree. So angle AOM is 140 degree and angle AOM is 70 degree and angle BOM is 140 degree, and I am supposed to find angle AMB. Now we see that angle AMB is an angle subtended by the chord AB, and if the chord is if the angle is on this segment, the angle at the center will be in the other segment. So as we know that AB is a chord, and if I take AMB as the angle, that is the angle at the circumference, that the angle at the center will be on this side, that is the reflex of angle AOB. That means if AB is a chord and I am taking point M on the circumference of the circle and I am to measure angle AMB, so it is then the angle subtended by the chord at the center will be the reflex of angle AOB, because angle at the center and angle at the circumference are in the opposite segments. That means if AB is the chord, it is subtending an angle at the center, then it will subtend this angle at the circumference. So what I will do for this, I will try to find the reflex of angle AOB. If I know the reflex of angle AOB, then only I can find the angle AMB. For this, the solution will be angle AOB is equal to angle AOM plus angle MOB, that means 70 plus 140, and I get 210 degree. So angle AOB is 210 and reflex of angle AOB is equal to 360 minus 210, that is 150 degree. Now the reflex angle AOB, that is the angle at the circumference, is 150 degree. So the angle AMB is half of reflex angle AOB. So it will be half of 150 degree. So it will be equal to 75 degree. So hence angle AMB is equal to 75 degree. So this is how I can apply the concept that angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference. Then using the concept that the angles around the point are 360 degrees, so reflex of angle AOB is equal to 360 minus 210 and it came out to be 150 degree. Now reflex of angle AOB is 150 degrees, so angle AMB is half of reflex angle AOB, so half into 150 I got 75 degree. So hence angle AMB is 75 degree. So this is how we can apply the concept that the angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference.